It's a snow day. It is an actual blizzard outside. So what do you do on a blizzard day? Make ice cream. We're gonna make, I haven't done this before, but I read a recipe so that you can make ice cream in a mason jar with 1 cup of heavy cream, which I measured out. And then I put in 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. And I'm gonna add in a little capful of vanilla. And this vanilla's really good. It's kind of warm tasting vanilla. And it's supposed to be about 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And then theoretically, we shake this for 5 minutes, put it in the freezer for 3 hours, and we'll have vanilla ice cream. It has been 5 minutes. We're gonna put it in the freezer for 3 hours, and then we are gonna do a taste test. All right, 3 hours has passed. I'm here with my vanilla ice cream expert, and we're gonna see how it is. Cheers. It's all right, we'll see. It's actually really good. I know. That vanilla that I used, you can taste it. It's like almost cinnamon. It's almost like snickerdoodle ice cream. Okay, it worked. Heavy cream, vanilla, sugar, pinch of salt, in the freezer for 3 hours works.